Mombasa wachoni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto diere kanyo ochiwo title deeds kata oboke mag lowo awinje to makama kapo kodogi studio kanya kwa Ramogi.
Limited access to credit and investment opportunities. The land question here at the coast has remained one of the most emotive issues in our nation because it touches on the deepest aspirations of our people, that is security, fairness, and dignity. That is why, from the very outset, my administration was determined to deal with this matter decisively and conclusively. When we came into office, we made a commitment that we would confront difficult issues honestly and decisively. We committed ourselves to resolving historical land injustices and restoring dignity to citizens who have waited for justice for far too long. Since August 2022, we have treated land reforms as a cornerstone of our national transformation. Across the country, we have so far issued 1.5 million titles, of which 381,000 have been delivered here in the Coast region alone, accounting for 25% of all title deeds issued nationally. Ladies and gentlemen, this is neither merely an administrative undertaking, nor is it about statistics on paper. It is about restoring justice to communities that have waited for far too long and transforming lives through dignity, ownership, and economic activity. Behind every title deed is a family whose future is rooted in ownership, security, and hope. Behind every title deed is a farmer who can till the land, invest confidently, and reap the rewards of hard work. Behind every title deed is a community freed from uncertainty and the fear of displacement, with the dignity and confidence to build a better future. And today, as I begin my working tour of the coastal region, we take another important step in this journey of justice and transformation, restoring ownership, safeguarding dignity, and unlocking new opportunities for families and communities to build a better future. I am happy to announce that we shall be issuing an additional 33,025 title deeds in Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale, Tana River, and Taita Taveta and Lamu counties. Specifically, we shall be issuing titles in Kilifi Weru Ranch, Mwele Kimakeni, Msabaha, Kazandani, Wachu Kodentu, and the Rongeju Registration Unit. For many communities, this moment carries deep significance. Take the case of Rongeju in Taita Taveta. Established in 1969, families have been waiting for nearly 60 years for formal recognition and ownership documentation. Today, that uncertainty comes to an end. As part of the government's effort to promote orderly land ownership, ongoing land adjudication processes are underway across several areas, including Vigurungani, Mtaa, Mazola, Chengoni, Bofu, Gandini, and Kitengwani. Adjudication is also going on at Mihirini, Mwembekati, Sangalaweni, Kaliang'ombe, Viragoni, Godoma, Ngoroki, Chawia, and Mumari, among others. These exercises is aimed at identifying, demarcating, and documenting land rights and are expected to result in the issuance of 55,000 additional title deeds. At the same time, we are strengthening the registration of community land to protect communal heritage and secure the rights of local communities, with 6 units already formalized in Taita Taveta and Tana River, and a further 9 currently under processing across this region. We understand that the challenge extends beyond titles alone. The issue of squatters and absentee landlords remain one of the most complex dimensions of the land question here at the coast. As a government, we have gone beyond merely issuing documents and have moved towards creating lasting solutions. Through the deliberate interventions, the government has negotiated and acquired strategic parcels of land in areas such as Kwapunda in Changamwe, Mombasa County, benefiting 8,500 families. Junda in Kisauni to benefit 12,000 families. Gazi in Msambweni.
Mana nitwak nyakora mgajong madhi mbele kaunti ya Mombasa kama jatend piny Kenya William Ruto twake ewi chenro mar pogo obok maglo kara oboke maglo ne jokanyo e kaunti no. En chenro madhi mbele miyo ang' waluni machiegni ahinya kendo ang' wakel ni ler mare e weche manyien mabiro. Kata kamano wadhi mbele gi twak marwa chenro en siwinde mar ohala nyakora mgajong pod wantiere ka kod